All right, this is our May FabFitFun Beauty Edit box.
This is a monthly box from FabFitFun that's only beauty. And you get to choose all 4 products. They're all full size. And I think it includes the shipping too for $30.
Something like
35.
that. And it opens up basically the last day of the month for the next month. And then you have a few choices per category.
It's only like 2 or 4 choices.
Yeah, there's not many. I think
some of it overlaps with what was in the, quarterly box.
Right. So the first item I got is the Molton Brown Sunlit Clementine and Vividor Bath and Shower Gel. This is made in England. I was just wondering how many ounces. It's 10 fluid ounces. It smells nice. It smells fresh.
It smells good.
I like how it smells a lot. So this is useful. I can use that up.
And the next item was the Bumble and Bumble BB Bond Building Triple Bond Flash Rinse. And you're supposed to use this to detangle, soften, and add shine. This is a very well-known brand. And I like how it has the nozzle tip applicator that would help. You're not
like deposit the products and compare it to similar products that I bought that, you basically put in your hair, let it soak for so many minutes.
So I say bonds, smooth, softens, detangles, adds shines, and it's color safe.
Yeah, I mean, I've had some good luck with some of these. So again, nice product. I can use that. Next item is the Kosas Weightless Lip Color. It's 0.10 ounces. I purchased it I chose Rose Water, which is a sheer cool pink. It is very berry colored. It looks like this. Looks like that.
Kind of matches your nails.
And
I don't think it's too cool.
It's not too bad, but
that's what you have, yeah.
It's very silky going on. It did feel moisturizing. It says it has skincare powered. It's got mango butter, cocoa butter, and rosehip oil. And it definitely has a good slick or slip to it. So don't necessarily like the color, but I do like the product.
You definitely check out different shades.
Yeah, I would look at different shades.
The final product is her Fab First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. This is a one of 28. I've had the full size ones of these. I don't know. Have you tried them yet?
No.
Oh, they're sealed. Do you want me to?
No. Yeah, you can open it. It's fine. Because like these type of pad things, I just put them next to my bed.
Oh.
If I'm super lazy, I'll just.
It's good. I have tried, I tried these. I've had the Peter Thomas Roth pads, the Unwrinkle pads, as well as the Elemis and the Skin Fix pads. These are probably the most gentle and non-irritating. With the Peter Thomas Roth and the Skin Fix pads, I would actually feel a tingle. And these ones are so gentle.
What is this called?
Okay, Skin Radiance Pads. So you're supposed to, when you wash your face, then you use that to kind of exfoliate gently.
Oh, okay.
It's got lactic acid and I think glycolic acid.
Glycolic and lactic.
And it's nice because you don't have to rinse off after using those pads, but it's good because a 28, you can use that
in a month
or two. Try it out, see if you like it.
Exactly, and it's part of the box. It was something I can use, and it's not gonna just sit And if you say it's gentle enough, I'm not scared to
Oh, it's very gentle.
Use it.
It's a good value. $30, free shipping. Got to choose all 4 products.
Right.
No other box can you choose all your products.
Right. And it's so customizable.
And they do a cute job.
Yeah, it's a cute package.